it's your girl Donnell. I am here today with an amazing mixed berry smoothie, and trust me, it is amazing. Stay watching and I'll show you how I made this.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell while you're at it so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Just 4 ingredients. Let's begin. I have a cup of strawberries and blueberries. Yum. I have 1 frozen banana. And I tend to put my bananas in the freezer just when I see them getting really ripe. I have 1 cup of almond milk and a ½ cup of Greek yogurt. And guys, look, I love to have my almond milk already sweetened because I'm not going to add any additional sweetener to this smoothie. Smells so great already. And that's it. We're gonna blend this thing up right now. Okay, now try not to overblend if you're using your Vitamix. I would say less than 30 seconds is all you need in a high-powered blender like this. Now for the taste. Love. Guys, I am just so amazed that you don't need to have a whole boatload of sweetener in your smoothie. This is an already sweetened almond milk and it is absolutely delicious. It's just the right amount of sweetness to it, and it's super healthy. It's very delicious. It's good for your body. We have that Greek yogurt giving you a little protein, and we have those berries that are giving you all kind of nutrients. That's it for today, guys. This smoothie is amazing. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or 2. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. Ciao.